Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, it is nighttime. I am actually at my mother-in-law's house. We're gonna do a craft night tonight, and I meant to vlog earlier and then I forgot. So, oh, and now somebody's coming out to their car. This is getting awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and try to vlog as much as I can, and then at the end of this, I'm probably gonna show you something that I totally forgot to tell you from yesterday or a couple days ago about an Advent book that I got that I'm really excited about. So let's go. Oh, and just so you know, this is gonna be really interesting and awkward for me because it's my first time vlogging with family, like extended family. Here we go.
This particular apron
So
is
what is the reason that you're wearing that apron?
I didn't have time to change clothes. I wanted to change clothes. I didn't have time to change clothes. And I knew that we would be using paint. And I wanted to get an apron that I didn't care about.
Okay. Because you're like
so
too
that's
official.
why I got this one. But
Too
as we
much.
get ready to make cookies, it just looks like here I am in my professional Wilton apron.
Right.
If anyone has any questions.
Certified.
This is what we're gonna do.
Certified
Okay.
Wilton
It has to be, the tube has to be about this long.
Yeah, we lived in High Point when I bought these. Is that where you're from? Sort of. We lived in High Point for 9 years.
It's not, yes. Okay, so now I'm painting this. Well, I'm home. We crafted and it was fun. I mean, it was fine. But, oh, I forgot to tell you. So what happened was your mom had these like ribbon things that we were supposed to be attaching to that picture frame, to a picture frame. She said we could do a staple gun or people brought glue. So we try to use the staple gun. She uses the staple gun, beautiful. That was the last staple.
Huh.
So then we're like, okay, what are we gonna do? So we go, she's like, well, I have glue sticks for like for hot glue. So she gets the glue sticks out, we're like, perfect, let's heat up the hot glue guns. Too big.
The wrong size glue stick?
Wrong size. Like the strange size, one that no one gets. Like the big fat ones, that's what she had. And there were 2 glue guns and neither of them fit. So then I was like, if Evan were here, he would have just shaved it down and put it in there.
What I was thinking.
Yeah, see? And so I was like, okay, we'll just shave it down. And so then Maya's like, yes, yes. And they're like, see, she's even thinking like him now. So she goes to shave it down, but she wasn't aggressive enough, I guess. And so then it doesn't fit and it doesn't fit. And like everybody's frustrated. And it was just like...
Buzz Killington.
Yeah, Buzz Killington. So, Sam's here. Cutie, cutie. Hi, Sylvia. And then I forgot the cookies. I just need to say goodbye to today.
Okay. We can do that.
End it. So, guys, thanks for watching. Real quick, I'm gonna cut to the encouragement I had. So this is a positive video from the other day. We just had the second part of the conference. So if I didn't already tell you, you don't already remember, the conference is called A Weekend to Remember, and it's with Family Life, the company and brand, etc., the ministry. And so it is so amazing. And honestly, this was a gift from my parents to me and Evan. And thank you, Mom, if you're watching this. Thank you, Dad. My dad commented on one of my videos. It made me so happy. I didn't know he was watching. Thanks, Dad, if you're watching this. So we're 2/3 of the way through. We just have a little bit left. And it's been really, really good. It's definitely been hard. I'm not gonna lie, this is like such a tender season of my life, and so it's been hard but so good to sit and just hear like marriage advice from other people who have been in it longer than we have. And you know, I would totally suggest going, and this is why. Like for me personally, what I was looking to get out of the conference was I really wanted like some normalizing to happen. I feel like I go through life a lot and I realize, like I know in my head, okay, I can't be the only one thinking this, I can't be the only one feeling this, but when I seek affirmation or community on some of my thoughts and feelings, sometimes I feel like the affirmation I get is fabricated because I was the one who sought it out. So it's like I was prompting answers almost. So then you kind of wonder about the legitimacy or the authenticity of your friend. It just seems like maybe the people are just telling me what I want to hear. But I thought, hey, when I go to this conference, it could be really different, and this could be a great opportunity for me to just feel normal, because these people don't know me, they haven't seen me, they're not looking me in the eyes, they don't know what I'm going through or whatever, and they're gonna say some things that are just from their context that they think need to be said, and hopefully they'll normalize some of my feelings and my experiences. And guys, that is exactly what has happened in the best way. And so I'm so distracted by this. It's fine, I'll do my hair before we go. So I've just been really encouraged by that, and just definitely gotten, already it's not over, but it's been so worth our time, just in every way, a real huge encouragement. So I would totally encourage you to check that out. I will try to remember to put a link below, but if I don't, it's just called A Weekend to Remember. It's the Family Life, and I'll try to add the hashtag too. Family Life conference is so good. They have them all the time, and they even have like a cruise, which is really great. So now I want to talk to you guys about this book. There we go. Okay, this book, it is called The Expected One. So it is finally, like in real life, it is December 1st for me, and I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, it's Advent season. So for the Advent season, which Advent is just like the arrival of Jesus Christ, so that would be like a pregnancy season, an expectation season, essentially December 1st through December 25th, same length as Vlogmas. I usually try to do something special like in my personal time with God and my reading and everything, and so this time I thought I'd get a book. So I got this book. I have another book I like to read, but I got this book, and while I was in line, I just felt like I should get one for Evan too. And so I got him one. It came from Lifeway, you know, it's called The Expected One, anticipating all of Jesus in the Advent, and it's by Scott James. And so he's gonna read through it, and I'm gonna read through it too, and so it'll be really fun because we'll actually be reading like the same thing together, like during the same time, which is cool, different for us. So just want to show you really quickly kind of what it looks like. So basically this is December 2nd, but here's how it's laid out. So it's really not too much at all, actually, and I like this because I really like meditative times with the Lord in the morning. So it's got like just your little verse, it's got some thoughts which you can choose to read or not read, you can just let the Lord speak to you, and then it's got like some reflections, sorry guys, a review and reflection on this page. And a lot of times I'll use this, like if you want to go deeper, I'll use this original verse and then just kind of ask the Lord, like, what are some other passages that speak on this that I can read and stuff like that, if you want to make it, you know, into more of a thing. But if you just want to keep it simple, it's a really great time to just sort of journal and pray over the verse and reflect and just be still and kind of think about the Christmas season. So I would totally encourage you guys to go grab a book, get something, do something during the Christmas season, a tradition, a way to be still, a way to rest, a way to get away from the hustle and bustle and all the crazy, and just focus on what actually matters right now. And so okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that encouraged you. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with a normal day. Bye. Almost dropped my laptop on the ground. Oh my gosh.